welcome to the Mr. Max TV. Today is another episode of Andromo, admob, and Android applications, right? In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make your Android applications with ease using the Andromo software. So this tutorial is going to be very instructive, okay? So you can follow up and make a beautiful Android applications with your smartphone. And don't forget, you are watching the Mr. Max TV. My name is Success, and I'm your host today. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the video. Okay guys, let's quickly locate our browser and then type in andromo.com to log into the website. Okay, here we are. Once the website is opened like this on your system or on your phone, then you click on the navigation bar and then select login, then put in your details and click on login. It will take you to your user dashboard. Okay, there is my dashboard. As you can see, all these works you've seen there is the project I've been working on before now. To start creating your mobile applications, then you click on create new projects, and then you input the name of the projects, the name of the app you want to make. Okay, so once you put up the name of your project, then you click on create, and then interface where we have all the tools you need to create your application. Here we have the activity section, we have the theme section, we have the global style, we have the settings, we have the monetizations, we have the service, and we have the build section. So all these have their own functions separately, so we are going to deal with them one after the other. But firstly, let's check on this activity section. Okay, this activity section is where you will see all the activities that you can add or embed into your mobile app. So on the recommended section, we have the HTML archive. The HTML archive enables you to upload any HTML script into your application or embed it into your application. We also have the websites section. We have the website. So the website enables you to embed any website into this into your Andromo projects. Okay, let's say for example you have a website and you want to quickly check, or maybe you want to convert the website into a mobile app. You can do that by clicking on the website section, and then you proceed adding up the necessary details you need to add. So they also have the photo gallery where you can upload your photos and you have them in your application. Okay, so let's start adding activity section to our application. So now we clicked on the website activity section, and here we have to put up the name. So the name here, the title here, is the one that will display on the dashboard of the application. So I think you can add website or you can add whatever title you want, but kindly note that whatever title or name you put in here will show on the dashboard of the application. Okay, so I'm going to use website as the name, and then subtitle I'm going to use my website. Okay, so you can also put up a description if you want. Subtitle will show later under the title and dashboard, and while this description will show below the subtitle as well. So you can add whatever you want, depends on the style you want to make your app. This is where you need to put up the content. Okay, as you can see, it says website URL, right? So here is where you put the URL of the website. So if you want to view just a page, just a web page, you can just paste the web page there, or but normally you can just put up, let's say for example the name of your website is google.com. You can just put up google.com, and then whenever it opens, it will take you to the home page of the website, and then from there you could navigate to any pages or posts in that same website. So it's more like you have embedded the full website into the application. While writing your website name or the website address, you make sure you put in, you start it up with HTTP Once you're done, then you click on style. Okay, for the style mode, you can use the default or you use the custom option. So the custom option enable you to customize the display colors in this activity section. So in my case, I'm going to choose green as my color, but you can always use your preferred color. Okay, now we can proceed to the next option here. We have the images. So under these images, we have feature image, we have the wide image, the square image, and the drawer icon. Okay, the feature image is the image that will be shown inside the activity section. The feature image will appear above the activity. So I don't normally advise you put the feature image, depends on the kind of activity anyway, but in this website activity we don't need such an image to make it look somehow, yeah, not really good for it. So instead you can go for the wide image. The wide image is mandatory because it's the image that will represent the activity on the dashboard. That wide image will be the one to represent the activity on the dashboard, so it's very mandatory. I need to look for a good image like that will be fitting for the activity. So the last one here is the drawer icon. The drawer icon, as you know, will be shown on the dashboard as well. Once you click on the navigation bar, it will show up the icon that represents each activities. Yeah. Once you're done, you then click on toolbar and then select custom to customize the toolbar. But on this aspect is not really necessary because you have the settings you have made on your image section. So we'll just proceed to the next section here above, which is a theme. So we'll go straight to the global style. Okay. Alright, so on this global style, what we can do here is that we can change the general background, and we can also change the general look, like the color, the background color, or the color of the app entirely. As you can see, the app is still on blue, so we can change it on this using this tool here, the global style. And whatever changes we make here will affect the whole app itself, not in a particular activity section. So but I don't think I'm going to change anything. I'm going to proceed to settings. Okay, under the settings section we can change the name of our applications, and as well maybe change the version, maybe after creating it now and then you build your app. Maybe for one or two reasons you want to add more features, you want to add more activities and so on, and you want to increase the version. This is where you come and change the version. So, and we can also choose a category here. Also the target market, Google Play, Android and tablet phones. And you write the description of your app. Okay, under the same settings, when you click on app icon, to take you to a place where you can set up the icon PNG formats you might have made. So but for the tutorial purpose, I'm just going to upload any kind of picture at all. But when you're making your project, you have to get a quality app icon. Okay, so and after that we have license agreement, and we have the professional features, we have the rate us, caption and so on. So that is all about the settings. Now we can proceed to the monetization section. You will see the available platform you can monetize your app with. So you can monetize your app with Andromo ads. You can also monetize your app with admob. You can as well monetize your app with Amazon mobile ad, and as well app brain, and as well app loving, and we have the Facebook audience network, and we have start app. So but for this tutorial we're going to be using admob, okay, because admob is the target platform for us. Okay, this account is not subscribed yet. This account does not have a valid subscription. Let's assume we do have a valid subscription, then we could easily monetize this app currently, but we don't, so there's no way we can do it. But let's assume we had an active subscription on. Then we'll just click on those above the space to paste your ad ID, your banner ad ID and your interstitial ad ID. So once you paste them, then you come to the next level, which is build. Okay, so you don't have much work to do here. Just click on the build limited apps. Now the application will be built, so what you have to do is just to click on open and then install. So now click on done, and then I'm going to minimize, and then search for the app on your menu. You see the app example as we titled it. So you open the app, you see the app opens with the drawal. You see it opens with the drawal. So now just click on home. I need to take you to the home page. Okay, this is the home page of the application. As you can see, that AD is the background picture I used. Okay, so the background image, you can just use maybe normal color like blue color, just the plain color. Okay, this is our activity section now. This is our activity section. So yeah, this is the website and embedded into the application, as you can see here. So there is a full website embedded into this. This is an e-commerce site. Okay, wow, yeah, we made it, guys. So that is all about how to make applications, Android applications with Andromo. I believe the tutorial is easy and instructive as well.